Hello everyone, welcome back to Citrix One Scratch and More. Today we're going to learn how to turn your Scratch project into an app. Now, turning your Scratch project into an app is pretty easy, I'd say. So, let me tell you steps just verbally before I actually show you it. So, uh, note that you can't actually publish this on the Google Play Store without having to pay $25, actually. And also, right, because making a Google Play Console developer account, it's like $25, a one-time fee. Also, you have to be at least 18 years of age or something like that to like get all those verification stuff. And you also have to have an Android phone to verify completely your account and start publishing apps. And there's a lot of things, and I haven't made uh, past those two important steps. So basically, I can't tell you the next step, so you'll have to figure it out on your own. So let me just tell you the steps of converting an SP3 file or Scratch project into a APK file. That's an Android file. So first, you open your Scratch project in TurboWarp. Then you make the edits you need to make it mobile compatible, since it has Sensing Plus and that has the things for mobile. Then also note that you can do mobile stuff in normal Scratch, but that's really hard. Then you go to TurboWarp Packager, which then you package your project into a HTML file. Then you take your HTML code and put it into like Google Sites, embed the code, then publish the site and then copy the link. Then there's this website called Web into App. So put the site link into there, then do some things, whatever customization you want to make, and then you just hit the convert into the app or whatever it was, and it will give you the APK file. So it'll give you the zip package. So extract the files from that, then you'll see this Android. So then that would be the app build.apk. Just rename that to your app name. Then you drag it out wherever you want to. Put it in the Google Play console if you have it. Make it monetized. I don't care. That's just the main steps. So let's actually see how to do it. So right now I have my computer. So let's do it. So I'm already sharing the screen. So let me get one of my things. Let's say PyPong. I made for the Pi Day. See there, isn't Pi Day. So then I have Scratch add-ons or Scratch tools, whatever is doing this. So I click on TurboWarp, or just copy the link and put it into TurboWarp. Now you have this. Yep. Let's see. So you just do your edits. I'm not doing any edits, but you can see my full thing where you can see my other video where I'm going to give you like full detailed steps, and I usually do things like shooter games, so I'm more comfortable with that. I'm not comfortable with this. So let's first play our game. Ooh, no! Okay, so whenever you hit, I guess you get something of pi 3.1. Oh no! 4. Ugh. 1. 5. Oh. 9. Yes, I'm doing good. I'm really ahead. Ooh. No. Yes. 6. Okay. So now that we have that done, so just go to File, click on Package Project, There's also restore points if you close Turbo Warp, you can load things, load it back. So now file pypong.sp3, run mode, runtime options. So frame rate, keep it 30, that's the normal. Interpolation, that makes it really smooth, I'd say. If it has pen, high quality pen. I'm not sure if this has pen. Let's say infinite clone. No. Remove miscellaneous limits. Let's remove fencing. Let's see. Ooh. So allow sprites to move off screen becomes and allow touching blocks to work off screen. Yes. Slightly improve. Okay. And so let's not do that. Let's say remove fencing. Okay, custom state size. Let's just say that. So 480. You'll just keep that. I recommend that. Player options, player. So the page style is Pypong. Page icon, you can put that if you want. Let me just put that. That's not. Ooh, loading screen image. I can put my Wikimedia. I don't know why I named it that. Okay, display at normal size. I'm going to say filled screen. Instead of saying this, just badonk, badonk, badonk. Okay. Do not do this. That will give the user a jump scare. What's editable lists? Badonk. I will make the variable color that. List color that. Background color. Ooh, that we can mess around with. Joey. For some text, I want to make it that. Action color. Yeah, perfect. Input, let's say normal cursor. If it has things like that, just say support USB. Cloud variables, this project does not contain cloud variables. Advanced options. What is this? Yeah, I want to enable compiler. Ooh, warp timer. I'm just gonna add that. What is this? No, I'm not doing that. Not doing that. I'm doing that. So now what you want to do. So plain HTML standalone works anywhere. So package. So now you have that. So what you're going to do. Now I'm going to click on that. So what you're going to do is you're going to right click on the file. So you have to compress, make it into a zip file. Why not? Oh, right, you don't have to do that. So right click on it. So edit with Notepad, Notepad++, whatever. So now copy everything in it. Control A, Control C, C, C. Just copy it. Okay, close that, close that. So now, okay, so there's this thing called Google Sites. So I can't really share here. So what we're going to do, in Google Sites, make a blank site. Make a Pipong. Pipong, that's my title, your page title. Delete. Pipong. Pong. Okay, so now there's this option called embed in the editor. So just click on that. Click on embed code, not by URL. And then you just paste your HTML code. It might take a while. It'll lag a lot because your HTML code is a lot for it. Okay, so now click on next. Then insert. Resize it to how much you want. Help me, I can't scroll. It can't work. Zonk. Looks good. So now click publish, make your web address. It'll already take the name of the thing. Just add whatever you want. Then request public search engine to not display my site. Do not click that unless you want it to be very private. So click publish. So now there's this thing on like that side, like upper right. It's like a link. So click on that and say copy link. So then what you're going to do, you're going to open a new tab, search web into app.com/appmaker. Ta-da! So now online URL. Recommend HTML file. It does not detect it properly. So paste your code into there. Give the app your name by Bong. Major version, minor version, I don't care. So I'll name it Sid X1 Scratch and more. Oh no, I can't put spaces. More. Okay, so now what we're going to do is splash screen. You can edit that background color. So title by Bong, made by Sid by. Let's change to Arial Black. That looks good. Image. I'm gonna just select that. So, ta-da. Okay, size. Let me change that to 550. Okay, 99.9. Come on. Okay. So now you have all this app toolbar. What is this? Ooh, we can change that. Yes. Text color. I wanted that. Pipong. Dark text. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Now set the icon. Unset the icon. All files. Let's set the icon. I want my icon. Okay, now. Okay. Wiki EDI PNG. Enter. Okay, let's go down. There we go. There is that. There. Okay, fine. Let's find an icon. Hey, you know what? Let's not change the icon. Let's just set the star. Okay, so next. Oh, we're almost there. So click free Android app. We are not going to make an iOS app because the thing is to put an iOS app on the App Store, it's like $100 a month. So in 10 years, that'll be $12,000. In 100 years, if it's still alive, that'll be $120,000. So no, definitely not. Free Android app, free. Make app. Oh, right, we had to register login name, said email address, said password, that, register. Come on. Control C, Control V. Oh my, what did I do? Control C, Control V. Huh. Okay, let me get some Google password. Let me copy that. V. Yep. I want to log in. Remember me forever. Please. Okay, where is it? No! No! What has happened? Okay, create new. Why? Why has this happened? So Control V. I have to do all of it again. Bye, bong. ZX1 scratch. Next. Set icon. I want to set an icon. Let's say python.html. Only PNG. Set icon. I want to set my icon to something good. There we go. Okay, let's not do that. Free Android app. So it's going to build that. It's going to turn it into an APK file. It's cool. App category. Let's just say house and home. Bipong. It's a Bipong, okay? Bipong. Click on this. It's a cloud with the down arrow thing. Download free. Download all files zip. It's going to download it. Download. Download for me. Download. Why is it not downloading it? Download. Why is it not downloading it? There. Okay. Close. Let's just see. Download. Download. Why is it not downloading it? Okay, so usually you just click download. Download free. Download all files zip. Okay, what is happening? Okay, I'll give you another example actually. So go to your files, downloads, that's where it would be. Okay, so then you have your zip file. So just extract it, extract files. Okay, yes. Okay, so now there's Android. Click on that. So now there's apprelease.apk. I recommend you rename that to place with reset PyPong. Apply. Okay, just like so rename PyPong. I'll say that. So PyPong move to downloads. So now it's in downloads. Should be. Where is it gone? And then you're done. Congratulations, you're done. You actually made a Scratch project into an app. Well, I gave you most of it. Next video, I'll give you like instructions on how to make it mobile compatible, and I'll only use like my my shooter game because I'm more comfortable with that. I've done it before. So, well, see you guys.